Okay, I have only 3 minutes to make this video. This is my SOS video. This is my screaming video, guys. That's gonna be hard for me, and I hope you guys make this video viral because Haiti needs you. I need you. I'm making this video in English for the international people because the international people need to see this. As Asian people, first of all, my name is Tayana. I am from and grew up in Haiti, but right now I'm living in Dominican Republic. I can't anymore. As Asian, I'm so frustrated. I'm so scared, even I'm not living there, but my whole member family is living there. My mom is living there. I can't deal if something happened to my mom. I will die. Okay? As Asian, I'm sending that SOS video for the international people, guys. As the first black country in the part of the world, we help so many of you to gather independence. Now it's the time for you guys to have Haiti. Haiti needs you. It's not the time for joking, guys. Okay? Every single day, the Asian people deal with devil, with that, with insecurity, with anger, with gang every single day. The time of the Asian people is renewable. I can't anymore. Yes, I'm not living in there, but my mom noticed me what is going on there. My cousin, my auntie, any member of my family notice me what is going on because it's my country. Yes, I'm living in Dominican Republic. It's just other side of the Aslo, but I can't, guys. We need you so bad. The international people, do something, post something. We help so many of you one day. Now it's a time for you to help us because we work for that. Yes, I can't anymore. We battled so many times. We survived, but right now we don't have the control of anything. Our life is controlled by the gang. Okay, guys, please send this video, share this video to the international people. Do something for me. If you if you are a Haitian, post something about SOS, the problem, any comfort right now, because it's not the time for joking. Bye bye.